Yo, we got Nmixx dash. I heard like the teaser of this already. Dash, I want to dash. Gotta go fast. And it already sounds nice. Shout out to everybody that put me on to this song or like this comeback. And Hedgen too. My girlfriend, she's like, yo, this sounds good. You should check it out. So we're about to check this out. So in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I don't know why I said it like, whoa. Woo! Just like the teaser. Oh, she counting. She writing on the wall. Zigzag. It's already sounding really nice off the bat. Like it starts so fast. Ooh. Don't want to stop it. Oh, she breaking through? Ooh. She got the dynamite. Bad girls don't change. What did it say? Hold up. It said, what did it say? Her kneecaps? What is it? Her kneecaps? Bad girls don't cry. I guess not. Yeah.
Oh,
nah.
Is this Dash?
Yeah, this is Dash. Okay, Missy got dynamite to break through, I guess. Oh, the bag too. Oh, with the little lip piercings, bro. 0 to 100. Ooh, the sneakers too. God. Like what? Get out their way, they want to dash. Oh, they in like what kind of Alcatraz looking? The nails though, you see the nails on display? Yes ma'am, you see them. Oh, it's raining too. Sorry for pausing a lot. The harmonies they use in this is fire. Right now I really can't predict Nmixx and what like concept they're doing. I think they're doing so many concepts and it's like, but I'm liking like some of the new stuff that they're putting out. Ooh. Whoa, oh man, imagine they just switch it up into R&B. I kind of would like lost it, but that little tease was fire though. They teased. Imagine like I wanna doom. Nah. I feel like that'd be too predictable, but or like I would have thought that would be dope. Let me see. That little run it. Oh, they changed his clothes. Whoa. A zebra. Never stop. Whoa. A peacock? Oh, I think they destined. Okay. Yo. Whoa. What is this change up? I talked about change ups, but it went up to. Okay. Is that a zebra whale? Ooh. I just wanna continue my pace. That was a fire change up. It was like not as like drastic as their debut. I think. What do y'all? They really mixing it up. They literally mixing it up, bro. The zebra whale is kind of crazy. How you doing, y'all? I just wanna continue my pace. That changed up too. Yeah. I think there's a lot of change ups in K-pop in general. Oh. Ooh. I really do it. Hey you, whoa, hey you bastards, whoa. I shouldn't expect the B word as in bastards. You bastards, I'm still here. My God, Nmixx, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for it. They make sure. Hey! I'm here. Damn. Ooh, the credits. Bruh. Okay. Definitely enjoyed this one. I like the music video. I like the way. Oh, look how it's like breaking down. Okay. That's different. I don't think I've ever seen someone do like this. Oh, that's cool. Ah, interesting. Interesting. This is definitely one of the faves as well. Definitely one of my faves from Nmixx. Like, I don't know, like going on my playlist. Same here. Same here. The little run it with the harmonies. So they're just breaking out of like their prison, their some fortress. Ooh, they look so dope. They look dope. Choreo on sync though too. This part's fire too. Did Rappy say, "Come on, Rihanna Bob"? Hey, hey, hey. Run it, run it. That little run it. Ooh. Like, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah, you editing it still? Shout out to Raffy. Go check out his reactions. Woo! Well, it got a little jazzy to it too. Ooh. I think this might be my favorite Nmixx song too. One of them, that's for sure. Dash. This tease right there, that's fire. Bro, they be dashing too hard. Wait, was that couple like being cute and then they passed by and they just start boxing? Wait, hold up. Or I wanna dash. I wanna dash. I wanna dash. I wanna run it, dash. I wanna dash. I wanna dash. Oh, they were just talking and all of a sudden stop, dash, everything's changing. Wherever they're going, they gonna run through, pass through, break through, dash through, and just that peacock is beautiful, by the way. I don't know if is that real. Oh my God, it's chaotic. Yo, low key, if they went to bubble pop and just like hyper pop, I wouldn't be mad with like the whole butterfly. But it's a pretty clean change up. I like the change up here too. Zebra whales. I mean, is this the same world like in the first debut that they change up? It's like this area. Pace. And it's like not too long too. What was that, like less than 30 seconds? 30 seconds? Ooh. I wanna dash. I wanna run it. Ooh. And then damn. Sheesh. Hey man, and the instrumental's fire for the credits. So good, so good. Yeah, oh, I had an orange sky. This one's pink. I see. So there is a difference. There's a difference. Well, Nmixx definitely gonna be added to the playlist. That's for sure. Yeah. Tell me what you guys think, actually. You know, and on YouTube, put in the comments down below what you guys think. Yeah. Nmixx doing their thing. They want to dash. I got to dash. I want to run it. That shit fire. That shit fire. Fuego.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.